Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Marianne Allen. In this video today, I will be doing laundry for the first time in Ghana and just showing you what the process is. It's kind of easy, I would say. It's not like the typical way we did it back in the day when we lived in Africa, because the unit has a washer. It just doesn't have a dryer. So it's gonna be dried outside, but today is like cleanup day and laundry day, and I don't have anyone to do it, so I have to do it myself. It's like I said, it's not as bad, so I ain't complaining. Okay, so I'm washing my beddings, and my husband was like, because the Airbnb has cleaners that can come in and clean and change the beddings and stuff, and he's like, why can't you just call the girls to come and change the beddings? And I prefer washing the beddings myself, because okay, there's something about me, right? I love to smell clean linen, like laundry, the scent of laundry, clean linen. So I would usually put fabric softener just so it smells good when I lay on it. When it doesn't smell as good, I would usually buy like pillow mist and stuff and put. So I love to just smell good scents all the time. So they can come and put a clean sheet on there, but I won't smell what I'm looking for. So I decided to do my own beddings, laundry, and just put it right back on the bed. And then he asked, where am I gonna hang it? So we're gonna figure that out. But it's not a lot of laundry, so it shouldn't be so bad. This is the washer. It's a pretty small washer, and I didn't have bleach, and I like my whites to be clean, so I went and got bleach, but then I forgot to get bucket, so I don't have bucket here to at least put the clothes in for a little bit. And I'm not sure if this, oh, okay, so the washer has a soak button, so it should be able to soak the whites in there. But the washer that I had in the States, whenever I did the soak, it would just drain all the water out, like it won't really soak. So I had to do my whites in a bucket for a little bit and then put it in the washer, just so it removes the stain. And like I showed you before, the storage in here is the thing, because it's pretty tiny. It's a pretty tiny, so I make use of my space wisely. When I'm not using the laundry, I just store things on here. When I'm cooking, sometimes I need to use the top to put things on, so I would just put them down to the floor and use the top, or I put them out here. That's my view from the kitchen while I'm doing laundry and cooking. So this is the fabric softener that I said so everywhere I go, it wouldn't matter, I would get fabric softener, because I love the sense of clean laundry. The first time we went to the supermarket, I bought this thinking it was laundry soap detergent, but it was actually another kind of fabric softener / oxy. So it's not like soap, it's like stain remover or smelly stuff. It's more like fabric softener, smelly things for the clothes, than even OxyClean. So I had to go back and get the laundry detergent powder, so I had to like read it. This is the one that came when we came into the Airbnb. It had this packet. So I'm just gonna move them up here. I got my kitchen towel. I already put 2 other kitchen towels in here, so I'm gonna take them out until I can sort out the clothes. I'm gonna put them here. So when I'm doing laundry, I don't be cooking, because I don't want to have both. Okay, so first load is done. I usually try to, we don't have a lot of hangers yet, but I usually try to hang the good shirts up instead of folding them on the rail because I don't like lines. And when they dry, you kind of see the wrinkles in them. And I don't like the wrinkles either. So it's one thing I don't like about drying your clothes outside because it leaves the wrinkles. It dries it, but it leaves the wrinkles, which means you have to iron. And in the States, I would fold my clothes right out of the dryer because when it's hot, like hot, because I don't like the wrinkles. So that has bothered me a little bit as long as I iron it. So we've been ironing the clothes, but it's just my OCD. It's not like you can't make it work. So I'm gonna take them out. And I dry the clothes on the wrong side. Oh, because Ghana is so dusty. It's so dry and dusty. So even when you don't think things are gonna get dusty, they get dusty. The dust just sits on it. So I need to find a way to hang my bed in because I have to sleep tonight and it has to dry before then. So that's why I put it in the first load. See, everything you have to strategize in this place, you know. You can't just. So I think this is quite big for the real, but it looks like it's gonna air dry quickly. Wish I don't mind. So it's not a heavy bedding. So if I can do one side of it. So I folded it. I think when one side is dried, I'm gonna flip it over because I have to hang the other thing. One thing I didn't do before putting the clothes on is wipe down the rails because it's been raining. And when it rains and it dries, the rail, the dust kind of stays in here.